Hi. The parked car up, got the dogs out. I'm going to take them on beach, but it's full. It's high tide. It's right up. It's nearly a 9 metre tide today, so we're just going to have a wander on prom here. Have a look. I don't really can see the big crane up here working, but they're thumping and banging away, putting new gear on. Yeah, we'll have a quick wander. Well, not that quick, but just have a little wander. So, yeah, quite an impressive sight, this crane. I think I'll try and get a bit closer to it. There's got one of the trams there coming up, slowing down. Just taking you a look round here. This is that crane there. It's a good sized thing, that. Well, it needs to be, really. Yeah. Lifting that track in there. Nice steady job for him, that. You see he's busy. Mate, that's all crane drivers, that. It looks like this Arctic here's brought some at track. He's not from far away, surely. He's a good way though, Cockermouth, this crane. Yeah. A Tadano. That's a monster. Aye. He's got plenty of sticker, huh? Alright, it's at the top there, look. Quite impressive, that. Yeah, they've got lights on so he can work on the road. Look at the size of mats he's got on the floor. Huge. Yeah. That's another part of big one, look. Let's wander up here a little bit. Yeah. Sounds like somebody's got a bit of speed on. Oh dear. You'll not sell many ice creams at that speed. Now we're just coming up to this statue here. It's like a big fish fin. Like a fish diving in. It's quite impressive actually, especially in summer when the sun's hitting here. It's really good. All along this promenade up here, you've got different artworks and things like that. It is quite impressive. It's a nice walk. And we've got Babylon there now. Boulevard Hotel just in front of us. Apparently it's a really exclusive place now, that. And then just next to it is Big Blue, which used to be a really posh place. Well, it still is, but I think the boulevards took over from it. It's a really nice place. Yeah, just looking down the other way now, you can see Tower in distance. And that crane, that's still working. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. There's Mirrorball there. Just zoom in a little bit to it. Yeah. Just go a little bit closer to it. We've got some guys fishing up here. They've been catching lots and lots of cod up here this year, heck of a lot, and they've done really well with it. And quite a few sea bass as well, apparently. The only fish I know really is from Chip Shop, but yeah. You probably see them now in Mirrorball as well. Yeah. It's a lovely place up here. It's a bit cold today though, God. Well, I've earned a cup of tea in a bit. Oh, there they are. There seems to be a lot happening today with ambulances and police, crikey. Yeah, well, we're just about up to Mirrorball. That's it there. Look, I just zoomed in. I've had enough now. It's a bit too cold for me. But if you like what you're seeing, press the like button. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd be even nicer. So this is me signing off, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye. He's just on the way back. He's doing a lift. It's not a lot, but he's lifted off this lorry here, and he's took it right up in there. There, look. And he's going to land it in a minute. And I just thought it'd look quite good. Oh, he's taking her up again. Oh, he's luffing down. Very technical. Just thought you might like to see it, that's all. He's got some stick on that. I bet he's got over 200 foot on there. Brilliant. Yeah, I just thought I'd come down here. I'm right up, just across from Crane. Thought you might like to see it. Impressive. Very impressive. Show you again, it's just a bit closer. He's spinning around. Look, they've dropped load off now. What a machine. So there you go. It's going to pick another off this Arctic here. They're only small loads. They've obviously lifted track up. I think these must just be connecting pieces. It's bringing jib down, look. It's impressive. Very impressive. This lad on the bike's just slung it load. He's going to connect two leg chains onto it now, and then he'll be lifting. That's one on look. Another one on. Then he'll get crane driver a signal to lift. There you go, look. No, it's not. He's not happy with it, so he's just like, oh, he's going now. Look, taking. That means like take the tension. There we are. He's got over it now. Look. That's it. It's always. Since he's on the lift weight. It's coming down, it's not. Well, it's twisted load. We're not happy with it. That's it, he'll have to re-sling it, then he'll lift it again. Anyway, I'm going to get on. So nice to talk to you.